This is a crazy drawer, but I clean out regularly, but lots of sauces. So mostly Asian sauces, mirin, vinegars. I've got some Aleppo chili that's in the wrong drawer. Oh, here's the sesame. That's not open though. Trust me, I know where everything is. I'm Karen Martini. I'm a chef, I'm a cook, I'm a restaurateur, I'm a mother, and I'm also a cookbook author. Some would say I'm obsessed with food. I don't know what they're talking about, really. I mean, seriously, yes, I'm obsessed with my next meal. Or maybe there's a meal skipped in the middle, but I'm definitely obsessed with what I'm having for dinner when I'm having breakfast.
Beautiful.
I like them round too.
Oh, so yeah, the round.
My father's Tunisian heritage influenced me from a young age because when we would visit my meme and Pepe on my father's side, the kitchen was the hotspot, the busy place, the social area. And I became obsessed with food and flavours from a young age.
We've got 5 fennel.
5 fennel. Yep.
My creative process is quite random at times. I also will wake up in the middle of the night and I've either solved the problem I'm having professionally or I've got a stream of ideas of different dishes. It's usually probably if I'm a little bit hungry and I go to bed. So again, it comes back to my hunger and my curiosity. I'm always looking for the new boundary, the new flavour, the new idea. Hey guys, I'm just going to steal a couple of these pomegranates. They're amazing. Can I take 2 or 3? I'll take. Whenever you're making a dish, it's not just about the flavour, it's also about the smell and the texture. It's a journey, if you like, or a landscape that you want someone to discover when they're eating a particular dish. Oh wow. Amanda, that's stunning! Like this. Like it's totally cooked through. Time. I'm always building on the basic building blocks of flavour, and you won't find random flavours jarred together. There is a format of why certain things work with other things, and it's usually when things are in season that they work together as well. It's really important that you spend time learning those cherished dishes that loved ones or family or friends or an auntie or someone used to make, and then pass those ideas on, because otherwise those recipes will fade out eventually. The inspiration behind Cook was really to inspire those who already cook and those who don't, and open another world or another level of flavour. It's a fiercely hot green sauce, but it has red chilies in it. Weird, but delicious. It's really a basic handbook, if you like, into the heart of the way I cook, and hopefully others are inspired by those ideas. I want it to be tried and true and trusted because they are my tried, true, trusted memories.